Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to the English online learning class. Today, we are going to take up the lesson, The Treasure Within. And we have already taken up this lesson as your periodic tests are scheduled. We are going to revise this lesson, The Treasure Within. Well, this lesson is in the form of an interview, a conversation between Ms. Bela Raja, editor of Sparsh, a newsletter from the Resource Center, and the famous architect, one of our country's leading and world-renowned architect, Mr. Hafiz Contractor. Now, in this interview, Bela, the editor of Sparsh newsletter, is asking questions, and Hafiz Contractor, who is giving the interview, who is one of India's leading architects, is replying to her questions. Now, as Bela asks him about his school days, Hafiz Contractor tells her that his school days were unhappy. In the first and second year of his schooling, he was a good student, but from third standard onwards, he began to lose his interest in studies. Why? Because he was afraid of mathematics, and he had nightmares, terrible dreams about maths examination. He used to dream that he was appearing in the examination and he was not knowing anything at all in the subject. Now, as a child, Contractor was interested in games, playing jokes on others. He was a very good sportsman, and he was a champion of the school cricket team, captain of the school cricket team for many years. Now, he used to pass his exams by copy. But one day, when he reached 11th standard, the principal called him and said, "Look here, son. I have been seeing you since day one. You are a good student, but you never study. I have taken care of you till today. Now I can no longer take care of you. So you have to take care of yourself." And the principal talked to him for 5 minutes. The advice of the principal worked. And now Hafiz would go for prayers, and all he would do was eat and study, and as a result, he got 50% in his SSC exam. Now, Contractor was being interviewed by Miss Bela Raja, as told earlier. So she asked him if he was punished at school. Contractor replied that teachers used to scold him regularly, and he would also receive a caning every week. But he never felt bad. He was more interested in playing. Now, he was a sports freak. He was just interested in playing and nothing else. He was also a leader of a gang which would do gang fights and plan strategies. All these things interested him more than his books. Now, after school, Contractor wanted to join army, but his aunt would not allow him. Then he wanted to join the police force, but his mother did not allow him. She asked him that he should do his graduation, and because he had got a second division, so he got admission in Jai Hind College by influence. He had to study French, but he was weak at French. So he used to go to his cousin sister's office, whose husband was an architect, and he used to learn French there. Now, one day in the architect's office, he saw somebody was drawing a window in detail. This window is a very advanced stage of drawing. But Contractor told him that his drawing was wrong. He also said the window that he had drawn would not open. and there was a bet, and in this bet contractor won. Now his cousin sister's husband was very much impressed, surprised also. He asked him to draw a few specific things, and contractor did that at once. He was so much impressed with contractor that he said that you drop everything and join as to an architecture school of learning, college of learning, to learn architecture. The architect took him to the principal of the college, architecture college, and in the college, only those students got admitted who had got 80 or 90% marks. And contractor had only got 50%. So the principal warned him. He said, I will not allow you to take part in the entrance admission till you take part in the entrance examination. And if you clear in the entrance examination, I will allow you to join. Now contractor appeared in the entrance examination and he got A grade. He passed with merit. After that, it was a cakewalk because he stood first class, first throughout after that. Now, one of his teachers when he was in school, Mrs. Gupta, had told him that you are useless in everything, but your drawings, your sketches are very good. She had advised him to become an architect on growing up. When he became one, he went back to school to meet his teacher, Mrs. Gupta, who had recognized his genius at such an early stage. Now, contractor was bad at languages. His maths was also very bad. In fact, he never applied his mind to them. Now, he also noticed after becoming an architect that those who always stood first and second in his school, they were doing ordinary jobs. And as for himself, the school life had made him street smart. He learned more by what he did than what the books taught him. At school, contractor was interested in other things and not in books. If it rained outside, he would think of the flowing water. He would forget the lecture and think about the flow of water within the drain. And all this helped him. Now, discipline in his school was very important. Sometimes a student would lose a button while fighting. In that case, they would run to contractor, and contractor would cut a button from a chalk using blade. Today, when Hafiz Contractor is a world-renowned India's leading architect, when any client comes to contractor, he looks at him closely. He observes his face, clothes, manners, and this gives him an idea of the taste of his client. And he is able to relate to people in a way so that they are satisfied and happy with his work. Contractor has given a new definition of mathematics. Contractor says his sketches are his mathematics. He puts design, construction, psychology, sociology together, making a sketch from all that is contractor's definition of mathematics. So students, the treasure within lesson carries a message for all of us that there is a hidden talent in all of us. We must know that talent and try to excel on it. So we have revised this lesson, the treasure within. Now we are going to also take up other remaining lessons as a part of our revision work in the periodic test. 3 lessons we have already covered, that is The Selfish Giant, Children at Work, and this lesson, The Treasure Within. Wish you all the best for your periodic test. Prepare hard and pass the exam in flying colors. Thank you and take care.